Hello YouTube, Ash here. Welcome to another episode of Ash Talks, back with another trailer reaction. And I'm going to be reacting to the new Star Wars TV show trailer, which is called The Mandalorian. No, it's not. No, Mandalorians. No, Mandalorians don't exist. Sorry. The Mandalorian. And yeah, this is going to be the new show on Disney Streaming Plus. They're showing here at the D23 show. And let's react to this trailer. Okay, ooh, helmets. I think this is based... It's a bit loud. The hell? I forgot when this is based. I think it's based... yeah, after the original saga, before the new saga. Like the visuals. Like music. Boom, 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 boom. That Lando? No, it's not Lando. Is that Lando? No, it's not Lando. It's Lando. Don't. It's good. Oh yeah.
Bounty hunting is a complicated profession.
Ooh, that's not good.
Don't you agree?
Alright. Shut up. Okay. That looks pretty good. Okay, so yeah, that looks good. You don't actually know anything of the storyline, but you know, it's a TV show. It's definitely about this bounty hunter. It looks cool. I like when you like pull this guy and the door's gonna close. Yeah. Okay, PG-13, but you know, still. I like the music. I like the vibe. I like the darkness. Yes, this definitely looks cool. You know, it's the first ever Star Wars live action TV show, and yeah, it looks really cool. But anyway, I'm interested to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below, and always, if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you did like the video, hit that like button, and I will see you all next time. Yeah, but that definitely looked wicked. Bye bye.